Hi, I am Akshay, an ERP customer support executive at EduPlus campus. In this video, we are going to see admission module. In admission module, we have the following masters: the admission master, we have GR generation, dashboard, and category master. Before starting with the, we have to see the admission. In admission, we have to fill the admission master. We have first as admission category. In admission category, we can see here following are been added: open, OBC, OBCSC, NT3, NT2. Following, we can add more categories in this. If you want to add a new category, just click on plus icon, select the category type, add the admission category, and just it's like is over and above, is scholarship section applicable, is EBC applicable, is active. Just select that option and click on save. Then you will able to see the category added in the admission main category. Next master is fees category. In fees category, we have to add all the fees category related to the students. Like types are JNK, Open, ST, SC, BGDTA, and etc. If you want to add any new admission category, then just click on plus, type the category name, and just you can see the over and above is applicable, is active, and fee structure applicable. Just select the option and click on save. Then you will add a fees category. In the next master, we have like admission fees category linking. Now we have to link here the admission category for that students. Here we have been added two categories, like we have see here ST and open is added. If you want to add a new category, click on the plus icon, select the seat type, program type as architecture, for which year you want to add, first year, select the category, then select the fees category, what we want to apply for that fees, and the scholarship type if applicable, for free ship scholarship if any, and just click on save. Then you can add a new category will be visible in this master. Okay, then the next category, we have now added the admission category, then the fees category, then we have linked that category with that fees category. Next is the to add the documents. The document list we have to add here for which is applicable for the students. See, if we can see here SSC mark sheet, HSC mark sheet, domicile, and other. If you want to add new document for the student which is not available, then you can add from here. Like we add DTA allotment letter, sort order as fifth, then with approving authority is student section, and save. You can see here DTA allotment letter is added over here. Okay. Once the documents are added, now we have to link that document to that particular student's category. Okay. For that we have to write category document linking. In category document linking, we have to select the category. If I select here like OBC and select the round type, cap, select the program type, select the year, fetch. You can see here the list of documents. So you have to just select the documents which are applicable for OBC category and click on save. You can see the documents are marked here for the OBC category. If you want to mark this as optional, then you can just on this toggle, then you can see this SSC mark sheet is now optional. Next is if you want to add the seat types, we can add the seat type from here, like a cap. If you want to add a new any seat type like round, any cap round, then you can add from here and save. It is visible over here. Yeah, now in this way we have added all the masters in our field. Now we will start in the next part, we will start with the admission flow. Thank you.